Today, we're going to learn about Thai pronouns. But first, I have to tell you, it's a bit detailed and has quite a few layers. Why is that? Let's find out together. In Thai, pronouns are deeply connected to family terms, which we use to refer to ourselves and others, just like in many other languages around the world. The main thing you need to understand is age. You need to guess or estimate the age of the person you are speaking with, so that you can choose the appropriate pronoun for yourself and use the correct pronoun for them. In this video, we'll focus on greetings with people you meet in daily life situation outside of your family, workplace, or school and university. Let's start by looking at how Thai people say I or refer to themselves. For men, the pronouns are ผม เรา พี่ น้า ลุง ตา. Those are some pronouns. Okay. For women, the pronouns are หนู เรา พี่ น้า ป้า ยาย. So, which one should you use to refer to yourself? Let me give you some examples to help you understand and apply them to your own situations. Let's say this person with their back turned is you, and you are 24 years old. Now, let's see what other people would use to refer to themselves when talking to you. ผม หนู ผม หนู ผม หนู เรา เรา กู กู พี่ พี่ น้า น้า ลุง ป้า ตา ยาย And those are the Thai first-person pronouns that all mean I in detail. As you can see, it had a big effect on the words someone used to refer to themselves. It's a lot, right? I know. That's why I have a simple and safe method for you, so you don't have to worry too much. Here's the trick. For both men and women, if you are confident that the person you are talking to is younger than you, use P to refer to yourself. If the person looks about the same age or older, men should use ผม and women should use หนู and that's enough. Okay? Now, what if your friend is about the same age as you? What should you use? I recommend that both men and women, when meeting new friends, people you just got to know, people you aren't close with yet, or people you see only once in a while, use เรา as your pronoun. It's the best choice. If you become very close, hang out together often, and your friends start using กู to refer to themselves, that aside, they feel close and comfortable to you. At that point, you can use กู to refer yourself too. But the most important thing, never use กู with someone you just met or aren't close with, because it's considered rude. Even if you are just joking, it can get you into trouble instantly. At this point, many of you might be wondering, what about the word ฉัน? I heard that a lot. Can you use it? The answer is yes, you can. It's not incorrect. But ฉัน sounds a bit stiff or distant. It's not natural in conversation. It's mostly used in writing, books, or TV dramas and movies. Now, let's talk about the next group of pronouns, the one that mean you. For men, the common words are น้อง นาย เธอ พี่ น้า ลุง ตา For women, the common words are น้อง เธอ พี่ น้า ป้า ยาย Let me give you an example to help you understand. The person on the left is you, and the person on the right is who you are addressing. น้องครับ น้องคะ น้องครับ น้องคะ นาย เธอ 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 พี่ครับ พี่คะน้าครับ น้าคะ ลุงครับ ลุงคะ ป้าครับ ป้าคะ ตาครับ ตาคะ ยายครับ ยายคะ And those are the pronouns used to refer to others. And you can see there are many. But don't worry, here's a simple and safe trick for these two. When you're confident that the person you are speaking to is younger, use น้อง Yeah, always use น้อง 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 If the person look to be about the same age or a bit older up to middle age, use พี่ พี่ It's okay. If the person look elderly, say ตา คุณตา for older men, and ยาย or คุณยาย for older women. In a friendship context, no matter your gender, if you are already very close, Thai people often call close friends มึง มึง มึงหิวข้าวไหม มึงจะไปด้วยกันไหม Okay, again, never use มึง with someone you just met or aren't close with. And that's all for this video. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to use Thai pronouns in different situations. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time. สวัสดีครับ